Is it working? Oh, yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing? Let me get out.
Why is it getting out?
Wait, I want to hear you hiccup. Come back.
I don't know.
What are you doing?
Tony, let me scare
How
you.
does it come?
Ready? Here. Just stand. Here. I need to scare you.
Man, Tony Hiccups and Bryce running in one video.
It scared me. I was like, ah!
Do you still have them?
Said I should breathe in.
You have to hold your breath.
You're setting me up.
No, I'm not, I swear.
She's coming.
No, you have to hold your breath.
I did.
I promise. You touched me. I'm telling you the truth. You have to like breathe in and then hold it and don't let it go for like 20 seconds. Okay, 10 seconds. It's so bad. Oh, God. Oh, poor guy spilled water all over himself, too. He like stepped on the gas where he was drinking.
How will I stop it? It just came from nowhere.
I'm starting to cry a little bit.
It came from nowhere. I wasn't ready for this.
Stop it!
Oh my gosh!
Wait, do yoga. If you do yoga, it'll help because you have to breathe.
Oh my gosh! That's serious?
Why are you doing this to me?
No, you're just like, okay, bend over and touch your toes. That's taking
Touch your
touch
toes.
your toes.
Here, let me hold that for you.
I can't stop it now.
Oh God! It's too much. Oh my gosh! I've been laughing. It's too much.
I'm gonna scare him. I'm gonna scare him one more time. I'm gonna help him out.
What should I do?